emotions. Dry cry cause I'm hopeless. Choosy love for the moment. Different story when I leave you. After school. Just to keep you. I need you around, I need you. Oh. Smile, that's right now, girl. Where you going? Smile, that's right now.
Is this the calm, cloudy weather before the storm? I hope so. I just dropped Kara off. I got Dunkin' Donuts for the students because I'm in a good mood. It's a half day. I think I've said that 100 times already, but that's okay. And yeah, so I took the other half of the day off. I have a quick doctor's appointment, and then the rest of the day is mine. So, I hope all of you have a great, great day. You guys need to make sure you get on my Snapchat. I always post updates on when the vlog's going to be posted, on what days, and so yeah, I think you guys should follow my Snapchat. This is how you know a hurricane's coming. No water. Another important hurricane necessity, toilet paper. So I just went grocery shopping, and it may not have been the best day to go grocery shopping, but I was completely out of everything and I really had to go, and it was stupid because there's a hurricane coming, and so everybody and their brother are shopping for hurricane supplies, as I showed you in some of those clips. No water, no toilet paper, or just a few limited supplies. But the weather is still looking pretty gross. And the storm has stalled in the Gulf, so it's just sitting there spinning and, you know, stirring up, and, you know, who knows. It looks like it has a little bit of a northerner track than it did before, and they officially closed the schools for tomorrow.
Good evening. This is Sam Hemmel, Superintendent of Schools. My staff and I have been working with the Citrus County Emergency Operations Team monitoring the incoming weather. We have determined at this time it is in the best interest of student safety to cancel school for tomorrow, Thursday, September the 1st.
However, the storm, because it's stalling, isn't projected to hit until the middle of the night. So they may close Friday off, and if they do that, it's Labor Day weekend. I'll get a whole 5-day stretch off, but I think if they do more than one day, we have to make it up. Oh well. All right, made it home. Started to rain even harder, which was nice. I got to put the groceries away without getting too much rain on me, and I even picked up 4 bags of snacks for the students. It does get expensive. However, when a child comes to me hungry in the morning or in the afternoon because their parents don't feed them, or because they have to eat a school lunch because it's free and there's like 2 choices, and you know, children are picky eaters, and if they don't like it, they go hungry. So I don't mind, but it just does get a little expensive. Oh, but they do love me for the snacks, and they loved having donuts first thing this morning. All their bellies were full. They did go a little crazy from the sugar, but it was a half day, so not a big deal. Mark gets off early today because, you know, it was a half day of school, and so now that I have everything done, I am just going to sit down and see if my dad, crazy grandpa, funny grandpa, I forget what we call him, is available for FaceTime. Let's see if we can get him. And I totally wanted to show you my dress. I totally forgot. Look how cute it is. And it's very flowy, and it's like that cotton feel. I love it. So I feel like I'm in my pajamas. I did wear a cover up because my school requires, you know, sleeves. So anyways, I just want to show you that.
No school tomorrow for Hurricane Day. Woo woo.
See guys, why aren't you on my Snapchat? You'd have gotten that notification yesterday. Hey, there he is. I figured that's how you would answer. Hey, nothing's going on over here. Just you know, a hurricane.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
Don't mind if I get blown away, do ya?
No, it'll be all right. Is it a hurricane or a tropical storm?
I don't know. I think that the last thing they said was that it's just kind of sitting still and spinning in the Gulf.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
I understand.
Yeah.
I like the smoke effect in the picture.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. You got real cool things at your house like that. You can make your picture smoky, huh?
Yeah. The incense, you know?
Oh, yeah.
You know, back in the 70s.
No, actually, I wasn't born then.
Poor girl, you missed out.
I'm an 80s baby.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Pouring myself a nice glass of milk, vitamin D.
Yeah?
Oh, yeah.
You trying to get those healthy bones?
I was going to say, you know, my bones, as I get a little brittle. Gotta make sure that I keep my bones nice and healthy,
Oh, wow.
you know?
You should run your own healthy show on YouTube.
Yeah.
Cooking and eating with...
A little workout. See, I do
Wow.
oh.
There, yeah, there. Be careful. Be careful.
My feet will slip on me on
You'll knock all your teeth out. That would be funny for the camera. All right, we going to bed. This guy's crashing right here, and I'm gonna go to this bed in there. He likes to take naps before he goes to sleep. I don't understand it. Hey, Mark. See you guys tomorrow. Bye. Well, it's 2:30 and the storm is arriving. Tropical storm. There's a tornado just south of us. And outside just kind of let go in the sky. It has not rained yet today until now. It's just starting, like the bands, the yellow and red bands with heavy rain. You see it's pretty windy. So that's my Hurricane Day update for you guys, and I'll keep you guys updated as the storm continues. It just became a hurricane. 75-mile-an-hour winds. It's enjoying that warm weather.
Winds are at 75 miles per hour based on the reconnaissance plane that just took off.
What's up, guys? It's me. I haven't been on the vlogs for a long time. Bye. And she wants me to vlog because I haven't been on the vlogs, but I've been so busy, I've been working. There's a hurricane, whatever, what is it, Hermine, going on over here in northern Florida. And just there's a lot of work in the field of work that I do. So hope everyone's doing good. Hope everyone's watching the vlogs and just hanging out. Have fun.
All right, it's 3:56, and this guy is still on the couch like a loser. Don't you know we're in the state of an emergency? Don't you know?
Nope.
I feel like I'm from Minnesota. Don't you know? All right. And I'm not gonna leave you alone. Oh, I didn't know you were out here. I'm giving an update on the weather. It is just drizzling. And has it been windy at all? No, it's calm. All right, give you another update in a little bit. All right, it's 6:30 p.m. and here's another little update. It's just pretty cloudy, a little breeze, very humid as usual, and it's just drizzling. Nothing too scary. Alright, I'll update you guys in a little bit. It's literally just a few minutes after I just turned on the camera and it got really dark all of a sudden. I don't know if you can tell. Camera probably doesn't do it justice, but there's another squall coming in, and I think as the wind is starting to pick up. You see it on this bush right here. And in this squall they were having 78 mile per hour winds for a few minutes, so that's kind of crazy. The superintendent called. We have no school again tomorrow, so that gives us a 5-day weekend with Labor Day. Just to hope they don't make us make it up during Thanksgiving break. Let's see. Hope this squall doesn't put out our electricity. Alright, 7:39 p.m. And let's go check on it out there. It sounds a little rough. Sorry about my lens, guys. Woo! Woo! Look at that wind. The rain is coming down sideways down the street. Oh. Ah! I'm getting wet. Whoa! Alright. Now we're starting to feel like a little bit of a hurricane. Alright, it's 8:31. It's dark out. This is around us. But I still have my power. And it just keeps coming in like different little squalls and stuff. So that is our hurricane day, and we will check it out when we wake up in the morning and see how everything is. Wish us safe. Give us a thumbs up. See you tomorrow.